Alright guys, so we have made it out here to the infamous testing location, and we got the ARMYTRIX exhaust installed here on my 2018 Audi R8. Now I'm going to do a few sound clips for you guys with open and closed valves. Alright, now we're going to open them. And let's that V10 is screaming. Alright, we'll do it one more time. This is closed valves and open valves. Alright, test location number 2, and this is with closed valves. So we're going to do a few flybys with open and closed valves. That's closed right there. Look how quiet that V10 sounds like. You can't really keep it in there, but it does make it a lot quieter. And that's another closed valve flyby. Notice how you don't hear none of those crackle and pops like you do when the valves are open. So he's about to come back down, and this time with open valves. Alright, so we're going to do a takeoff now, and then on the way back he'll just do a flyby. Hear that V10 scream, baby? Hear that crackle? That's the big difference between open and closed valves. Here's the flyby with open valves. There it is. There's that crackle and pop. Alright, so there you guys have it. That is the sound test for the ARMYTRIX full titanium exhaust. Amazing exhaust. Highly recommended. If any of you guys want this exhaust for your car, they pretty much have it for any make and model. And then also this is the controller that I was using to control the valves to open and close them right here. It's very simple. You can plug in OBD2 cable into your car, or you can even use Bluetooth. So once again, huge shout out to ARMYTRIX for hooking up the R8 with this amazing sounding exhaust. If you guys want to pick one up for yourself, visit ARMYTRIX.com. I'll see you guys in the next video.